There is a tiny creature in the ocean that can do something humans have dreamed about forever: restart its life. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. This isn't magic immortality, it's a biological reset. Most animals move one way: young, adult, older. But when life gets rough, injuries, starvation, sudden change, this jellyfish breaks the rule. The adult can reverse course, shrinking and reorganizing into a younger stage called a polyp. From that reset point, it can grow new adults. Think of it like restoring a computer from a backup, only the files are living cells switching roles. It's tiny, about 5 millimeters, yet it runs a life cycle loop almost no other animal can. And here's the surprise: it's not invincible. Predators, injuries, and diseases can still end it. What makes it awesome is the ability to dodge aging under stress. So what other ocean creatures are quietly bending biology's rules? The immortal jellyfish is awesome because it challenges one of life's most basic rules: growing older.